Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install different themes on Android Xiaomi Mi A1 device. I was getting a lot of comments on my previous video. Actually, I was using a different theme on my Xiaomi Mi A1. So in this video I will show you how you can install different themes on this Mi A1. And for this I just want to let you know that you don't need any root access for that. You don't need any special permission. So just by downloading and installing some APK files you can do that. So I was getting a lot of questions on my previous video, so I thought of just making a separate video how you can install different themes on this Android One device. So it's a good thing with Android Oreo that we are getting a lot of customization options, which doesn't used to come unless and until you root your phone. Now we are getting those options. That's actually good. So without any further delay, let's see how we can do this. So the method of installing any theme is very simple. As I told you in the beginning of the video that you don't need any root access for that. So what you have to do, just follow the steps. As you can see right now I'm on a stock theme. So as you can see, after you update your Mi A1 you're gonna get this theme. This is the stock Android Oreo theme. So let me go to my settings option. As you can see, this is the display option. Now after going to the display you need to go to the advanced option, and there are different options available, including night light, adaptive brightness, wallpaper, and if you go at the bottom you're gonna get an option for device theme. So by default this option would not be available, so I'm gonna show you how you can unlock this option. So once this option is unlocked, just to let you guys know that you click on device theme. As you can see that there are different themes available. Right now I'm on stock theme, so if I choose on this theme, as you can see theme is changed actually. So this is kind of red rose theme they are calling it, and apart from that also there are different themes. Let me show you. This is a blue and black kind of a theme, as you can see. So these themes are just only been applied to your settings, not all over the place. Like you can see, if you open your app drawer, you can see this little grid, it's in now blue. So after you apply your blue theme, it's gonna be in blue, but not in all the applications you're gonna get this theme. So by default you can download and install those themes. Now I'm gonna show you the process for installing and downloading those themes. So what you have to do, I'm gonna give you the link for downloading both the themes which I showed you, the rose gold one and the blue and the black theme. I'm gonna give you the link for downloading all those themes in the video description below. So definitely don't forget to check the video description. So just open your browser from mobile and you're gonna go to this drive.google.page. So what you have to do, you have to just click on download. It's like a normal APK file. You have to select your account from which you're gonna download. So as you can see, it started downloading and it will ask you for the permission. As you can see, android.says.oreo theme. You just need to click on install. Okay, it's like a normal file, so just don't forget this. You're gonna click on done. So what you're gonna do, so you have to install of minimum 2 themes. So unless and until you're installing 2 themes, you're not gonna get those device theme option. So you have to install those 2 themes. So after you install those 2 themes, just go to the settings menu once again, click on this display option. Okay, click on this advanced option and you would be able to see this device theme option. So now click on that and click on the choice of your theme. So one more thing I needed to tell you, that I'm going to give you the link for both this theme along with the stock theme. So the problem is once you install all those themes, okay, so you would not be able to switch back to the stock theme. So actually you have to install 3 themes for you to be flexible. So let's say you are on a different theme and you just want to go back to a different theme. Let's say I'm on this stock theme, okay, so I'm gonna go back to a different theme. So for you to be flexible, you have to install 3 themes. So don't worry about that, I'll be giving all the links in the video description. So you just need to install those themes and just need to apply, and after that need to go to display, need to go to advanced, and you would be able to see the device theme option. So that's about it. As you can see, I have all the themes. Let me choose stock theme. So this is the stock theme. Okay, so need to tell you that sometime it works 90% of the time. Sometime if it's not working, just reboot your device. Normally it would start working. So that's about it for this video. If you found this video useful, just make sure to give this video a like, and also till now if you're not subscribed to our channel, definitely get subscribed, because I'm gonna keep uploading videos like this and tips and tricks on my channel. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.